Hello, I saw your question on the discussion board about section 9.2. I guess this is number 7 in the homework. So you're given a table of values here. If if you click on that and import it into StatCrunch, it puts the length and the girth and covered up part of it. They want you to do linear regression. Find the linear regression line for the set of data here. So you click on stats and simple linear regression, and you select the two columns, and it'll give you this result here. Now you were asking, I think, about this part down here. How do you obtain it? Well, in this here, it allows you to put in the predicted value of 140, and then if you click compute, it'll give you the predicted value. Hope that helps.